Hey guys, welcome to Restless Outdoors. Today we're going to be talking about food bags, specifically the LiteAF Food Bag from LiteAF, so stay tuned. Yes folks, the time has finally come that I've upgraded my food bear hanging system. This is what I've been using for the past 2 years, and what it consists of is a Sea to Summit, looks like a 8-liter bag. Holds about 4 to 5 days worth of food. 5 days you're kind of cramming it in, but it will do it. Also what I was using is a rucksack that, I don't know, I think a cheap pair of sunglasses came in here. But it's actually fairly light and it's held up, you know, pretty well. This is the culprit of the, I guess, why my food bag system is heavy. But nylon cord, or I think this is 550 cord, I think that's what they call it, I'm not sure, but it's not even 50 feet. I think I cut it down to like 30 feet, and that's where I found, like, I don't know, I don't need more than 30 feet. And a, I don't know, just a regular old carabiner here. So actually I want to put this on the scale and see what this weighs. Okay, we have it zeroed out here. Let's see what this thing weighs in at. Looks like we are at 5.87 ounces. So I was looking around on Instagram one day, which of course yours truly is on Instagram, so make sure you check me out. But anyways, I digress. I found this company called LiteAF. And LiteAF looks like they specialize in Dyneema composite backpacking material and equipment. So naturally, I clicked on, started looking through their pictures and went to their site. They're actually making a backpack right now. It looks sweet, so make sure you check that out too. But anyways, I saw that they had a food bag, so I'm like, you know what, perfect time. I know Z-Packs makes a food bag. I have Z-Pack stuff, but I wanted to try something different and try to support another small cottage company. So hence, I did pick up this food bag right here. This thing is huge compared to my little 8-liter. This thing is, I mean, it's giant, but I love that because really it's kind of like your backpack with a roll top closure. You can actually just roll it down to where you don't need, you know, all that fabric, and it's fine. So to be able to put 4 to 5 days worth of food in here, no problem. As a matter of fact, when we did our Shenandoah trip, which I'll link up in the description here, I didn't even use that Sea to Summit bag. I used something completely different. I think it was another Sea to Summit, but it was like twice the size, which is probably around this size right here, and I couldn't tell you how many liters it was. I'm going to put a link in the description for this stuff, so it'll give you all the information, but I don't know how big this is. It's huge though. So the opening and closure system is pretty much similar to what you would find on any roll top backpack. You have a thing of Velcro inside of there, and then obviously you just roll it up, and then wherever you need to, you just clip it down like so. Again, I'm going to reiterate how big this bag is. So what can you fit in here? So I guess we can kind of see what we can fit. I have 60 Rice Krispie treats. So let's open that bad boy up here and see if we can fit 60 Rice Krispie treats. Oh. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 5 ramen. Cool. Okay, this thing ate up 60 Rice Krispie treats like nothing. The other cool thing I want to show you is the fact that, let's see if I can get a good angle here, but the bottom is squared off. So what that means is when you stand it up, it stands up. It doesn't roll over or anything like that. So one thing that they mentioned on their website, which I thought was pretty neat, is you can actually use this as a windscreen when you're cooking. So, but we got 5 ramen in here, 60 Rice Krispie treats, and we're about half full. So let's keep on going. So we got this classic mix of 54 little single size things of potato chips. So let's see what we can fit inside of here. Okay. So we didn't fit all 54, but that'll kind of give you an idea. I don't know, there may be, I don't know, we'll count after we're closed, but close this guy up here. And There you go. So that's a lot of food, folks. So definitely, this thing has capacity. Okay, I just counted, there was 20 little bags out there. It's pretty impressive. Okay, let's put this food bag to the side here and look at what else comes with the food bag system. And it comes with another Dyneema little rock bag. And inside you will find about 50 feet of Zingot here. This stuff is actually very nice to throw over a branch. It slides and glides very easily. It does not get hung up like the 550 or whatever paracord that is. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but anyways, this stuff is awesome. 50 feet is a little bit too much, but honestly, it's way smaller, and I'll show you in comparison. Way smaller than just 30 feet of this paracord. So, and a lot lighter too. This is like, weighs nothing. You also get a little mini carabiner, which is, I don't know, looks pretty good to me. Fairly lightweight. And this is the kind of the creme de la creme of what this thing came with, which was awesome. This is a little PCT stick that you would use to tie off the bear bag once it's up in the tree. I think Dutch Gear makes this, and they include this in their little system here. This thing is awesome. All you do is wrap it around these eyelets right here, and then you come down and do the exact same thing and let go of your line, and it will obviously catch on the carabiner like so. Now, if you ever try to do a PCT knot or try to tie off your bear bag with a PCT, it's a, I don't know, I tried, I think I succeeded one time, and it works great. I love it. It prevents you from having to tie a knot like to another tree and, you know, potentially make a clothesline for someone to, you know, walk under or walk, you know, across. So this thing is invaluable. It weighs nothing, and it is just, I think all food bag systems should come with this little doohickey here. So, but again, that does come with the whole setup here. So now just a quick disclosure here. LiteAF did not send me this to do a review. As a matter of fact, I paid with this with my own money. As a matter of fact, here is the receipt and a thank you and a total. This thing does cost $50, which is pretty well priced considering it is Dyneema. It is super lightweight. It's going to last you many, many years. This stuff is virtually bomb-proof. I mean, it's simple. It's just a bag, throw your food in, but it's very important too, because you want something that's going to be waterproof. You want something that's going to be, you know, durable. That's the biggest thing. I've owned a lot of Dyneema products, and Dyneema is very durable. Along with that, it's very lightweight. But it's the value that you get with this stuff. You're not going to find anything lighter than Dyneema, especially a bag this size. I mean, for what you get, again, compared to my old, this is like 3 times the size at half the weight. So that, to me, was a big selling feature. So I'll make sure I'll put a link in the description below. LiteAF, I think they're relatively a new company, a very small cottage company. So guys, definitely check them out. Looks like they're making some very, very cool gear that I can't wait to get my hands on in the future. So, but that's it, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, light as a feather. I thought it meant light as fuck.